Busy lifestyles and rising living costs make it harder to look after yourself, both physically and mentally. Not only that, but it's really difficult to get access to the right information when looking at what health and fitness providers are around you and the kind of services they offer. Research suggests that people who engage in physical activities like yoga, golf, weightlifting, or even mental health training feel happier than those that don't. That's why we created FITAP. FITAP is a tech-based marketplace that helps people discover health and fitness providers based on their individual needs, such as budget, location, and lifestyle. We bring fitness providers into one easy location for our customers, allowing them to access their services and make informed decisions about what they feel is right for them. All you do is pop your search options into our app and it will open up a world of workouts around you.
For people starting their fitness journey, it can be a bit of a minefield. The gym isn't free run, and it can be really difficult to find the information that you need on Google. We wanted to make it easier for people to start their fitness journey, and I believe FITAP solves that problem.
I've played rugby for most of my life, and it really makes you feel like you're part of a family. We want to help customers find their passion, and in doing so, help them meet new people with similar interests. After all, what's better than getting physically and mentally healthier while also feeling like part of the community?
Since launching in 2020, we've generated over 5,000 downloads of the platform and provide over 1,000 different classes to our customers. After some independent research, 71% of our surveyed customers said that FITAP helped them find either facilities or online sessions, and 92% of them would recommend FITAP to others. We've also generated a significant amount of press coverage and PR with the Telegraph, the Times and WalesOnline.
I invested in FITAP as it is an incredible marketplace, offers a wide range of fitness services that aren't accessible anywhere else in the UK. It's led by a highly motivated team that I believe will offer both value and choice to customers.
We've worked in the sports and technology sector for over 2 decades, and this is the first time in a while we've seen an app that delivers something truly useful to a user, no matter where they are. Now, most fitness apps are about reminders and nudges to keep on track, and our audit trail of progress is quite insular in nature due to the saturated space. FITAP's almost an overlay to this sector and can provide a standalone value it easily incorporates as an additional service to others using the aforementioned app approach, and it actually makes their offering better by providing accessibility in everything in the end user's vicinity.
It clearly helps people to get active and stay fit and healthy and get exercise in, which is a big part of my life and something that I love to do. And having met the FITAP management team, I'm really excited to see how they can work with Gareth and Alex to make their plans come alive.
FITAP's incredibly useful. It gives me all the information I need, and it just gets more and more exciting with each update. It's really interesting to see how that app has been growing. I'm actually quite keen to see what's coming next.
It allows me to find all the fitness information I need from one source, not have to go on loads of different websites. It's great for finding classes, PTs, gym facilities that I'm particularly looking for in the area. It's a great app and I can't wait to see how it grows.
We've had real success validating our idea and app so far, and have some really ambitious plans moving forward. We've identified over 43,000 health and fitness providers in the UK. And with your investment, we want to make sure they're being seen by our customers through integrating their services into our platform. We're really passionate about user experience, and we'll use your investment to develop that based on the feedback that we've had from our customers. We're set to really ramp up our sales and marketing across the UK to generate even more downloads and raise our already strong brand awareness. So get moving with us and invest now.